Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Dr. Onyeka. I did this bomb perm rod set, so if you want to see how I got this, please stay tuned and keep watching. But I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I do it. I'm getting better and faster at this too. Honestly, it didn't take me nearly as long as it usually does to roll this hair out. But today I'm using the Do Mousse Def, um, which I like, and it has good hold. It's almost finished. And you don't need that much. Honestly, I tend to put a little water on top because it's a little sticky in my opinion, but it gets the job done, okay? So when I'm doing it on dry hair, I'll just like wet my hands a little bit when I apply it to the hair, because like you see, my roots are like completely dry, everything's dry. So I do it so that the product can really coat the hair, so it can work. And I start kind of splitting up. Okay. All right, I think we're good. I'm using both of these, and I literally just, however the spirit moves me is how I select the one I'm gonna use. I'm actually rolling it in two different ways. So I'm gonna show you the two ways I've been rolling it. So the first way is I put the perm rod, and this is the part that we're gonna clip. So put the root of the hair at that end of it, okay? And then I hold it kind of tight, and then I roll it around. Okay. Okay, so that's the first way I like to do. I like to roll it. And I don't know why I chose to do it both different ways. I think I just wanted to see the different, how the different curls come out when I take out the perm rods. The second way I do it is, second way I like to roll is I will bring the perm on the same way. I'm holding the end like over here, right? But this time I'm starting with the ends and I'm putting on the opposite end of the perm rod. And so I smooth it around, okay? And then I roll, and then like I twist, roll, twist. And honestly, I just like the way the curls look when I do it like this. Okay. So those are the two different ways that I like to roll. So it looks like I have one more. So I will do that second way again. Okay, so again, the part that you use to secure is on the right. You're starting on the opposite end of the perm rod. You hold it taut, okay? And then you kind of smooth it around. Or, okay, hold on, let's start over. We're messing up. Okay. Hold it taut. We're gonna smooth it around on the roller. Okay, yes, okay. Smooth it, so it's smooth. This is important, smooth it. Smooth it. And then you start rolling, but then you also twist and roll and twist and roll. And it's just gonna be a roll, okay. And that's it, and you secure it. And that is it. that's it. So I usually keep them on overnight, and then I take them off in the morning. I usually will also like sit on the dryer for maybe about 30, 40 minutes, like right now at this point. And then still won't take them out though. Because why? We're going to sleep. It's nighttime. So we'll leave them in till tomorrow, and then we'll unravel in the morning, and I'll show y'all the results. Whew, what a long day. What a long wash day today. We dyed our hair, we deep conditioned, we did a perm mod set. So yeah, we'll see how it all comes out tomorrow. Peace. Okay, so guys, it's the next morning after I dyed my hair and I did a perm mod set. So it's dry. I slept with it, and then also I sat under the like a little hooded dryer attachment thing I have for about like 30 minutes this morning. So it's definitely dry. You can kind of see the color. So I'm ready to take these rollers out. So, you know, I always like to coat my hands with a little bit of oil. So I'm using Amalia Naturals Rosemary Replenishing Hair and Scalp Serum. Just gonna put a little bit in my hands so that it'll make it like, it'll make the takedown process nice and smooth. And I might add a little bit more as I go. But yeah, I'm gonna take these out. Look at that girl. Okay, so we're done. So I'm going to add a little bit more oil to my fingers. So remember, we want to like minimize frizz as much as possible, but while also going for volume. So I'm about to separate these. Yeah, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So this is as fluffed as I think I'm gonna go with it because, oh, and I moved apart, or kind of made apart. But yeah, this is as fluffed as I'm gonna go with it for now because, you know, it's day one. So we have time to kind of let the curls like separate, grow. I anticipate more volume. Like day two is usually my favorite hair when I do these hairstyles. Look, I already have like some frizz that's already forming. So yeah, I don't want to manipulate it too much more, but yeah, I'm probably gonna also show how it progresses like over the week. Because the style usually lasts about like 5 days. So yeah, this is it. And I'm gonna go outside so you can see the color, but the color is showing. It actually, you can really see it. And it came out exactly how I wanted, which is like a warm brown with like a hint of like red or ginger, which you can really see. So yeah, I'm pleased. I'm gonna go outside into the sun so you can see the color. Yeah, this is the final look. I love it. I'm digging it. I really, really like the Cream of Nature hair color. It turned out really nice, and I will definitely do it again. Would definitely use it again. Definitely recommend. All right, yes. And I'm gonna go outside so you can see how it looks outside.